everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to day 16. I almost said 15, but we already did that. Welcome to day 16 of saving $10 a day in April. And I am working on getting rid of as many minis and tinies from my stash as I can. So we have our little day 16 tag. I'm going to set the money here. We have our lavender dye today. So I'm basically swapping $10 of cash for $10 of prop coin. And then if we finish one of our challenges, we come to the bank here and we exchange the whatever amount is that we saved for the cash. So I stick it in the back and we count it at the end. So we are going to start with number 5 again. So I'm going to, well, this is kind of blocking my dice so it doesn't go flying everywhere. So let's see what we can do with our dice and our prop coins. So number 5 is where we're starting with 2. I hope you are doing well today. 1, 2, 3 for number 6. 2 for number 1. 1 for number 2. Ooh, 3 for 3, that's always a fun thing. 4 is getting 2 prop coins. 5 is getting 3. And then 6 is going to get 3. 1, 2, and 3. I still have a few more. 1 and 2, I have 3 left. So 2 are going to 2, and I'll put 1 on number 3, and that means we will start tomorrow at number 4. Alright, so let's scoot some of this around. Alright, so our first one is number 1, and that one got $1.75. And number 1 is, oh, this adorable one from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. Little baby mandrake. So we can do $1.75. So I can finish off the top row and do the second row. So I will do that and be right back. Alright, so we're halfway done on this one. Adorable. Okay, and then number 2 got $2 with its 3 prop coins. It's pretty awesome. And it looks like we finished it. So we needed 25, 50, 75, $1, and then 25, 50. So we only needed $1.50 to finish this from Susan at Windmill Ridge Budgets. So we finished that one, and let's grab another one that we can put. Let's do this one. This is from Evergreen Budgets, formerly Printable by Woods. So we can add 50 cents to this one. So we can do 1 and 2. Not sure why I scribbled it like that, but here we are. All right. And then number 3, we have $1.25. Number 3 is from Danny at Craftco Budgets. So we can do 25, 50, 75, $1, 25. Yes, I'll be right back. This one, cute one from Danny at Craftco Budgets, is turning out so cute with the little yellow flowers. Okay, so then we are on to number 4. And number 4 got 75 cents. And number 4 is, this one from Budget with Tiffany 26, Bookish Mama Budgets, Elaine Realized, and Becca Budget 77, and we just needed the 50 cents. So I feel like we flew through this one, like them getting to 1K. So this one is done for $4, and we have 25 cents we can put to a new one. Speaking of the collab, let's do Becca Budget 777 and we can just mark off 25 cents. That little grumpy cat. It's so cute. Alright, and then number 5. Number 5 got the $1 and then another $1. So we have $2 in number 5. And we needed $1.50. So let's see, we can do 25, 50, 75, $1. And then 25, 50. So this one from Cece at Creationsbymuneca is done. It saved us $4. So I'll put that there, and then we can do 50 cents into a new one. And let's see what this one is. Chaos budgeting. I love it. Look at the cute pupper. So this will save us $5 and we can put 50 cents in there. Let's see, what color should I do? Cute. And I think this is a Happy Mail she sent me. And then number 6, we have $1, $2.25. And number 6 is this one from Sassy Ginger Budgets. So let's see, set this marker. So we have 25, 50, 75, $1. So that's that, and then we have 75. So we have 50 cents we can put into a new one. So this one saved us $5 as well. Alright, let's see what other one we can grab. What's this one? Another one from Evergreen Budgets, formerly Printable by Wood. So we can do 50 cents. So let's do 25 and 50. Cute. All right, so I'm gonna pull this out first. So we have 5. Oh goodness, okay. Didn't realize we finished 4. All right, 6 and 4 is 10, and 5 and 4 is 9, so we have $19. Wow, that is crazy. I'm just gonna stick these right in there, go to the bank, get out our $19. I don't think that's gonna leave too much. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Nope, that's, I do not think we'll be finishing any for a couple days. All right, so let's go to way back, and then we're gonna put our $19 in here. I count this at the end of the month and do a little randomizer with left, right, center. And then I count my completed challenges to see how many I was able to complete out of my stash this month. So day 16 is done. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I really appreciate it. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day and an amazing week. And until next time, take care. Bye.